Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Computer Science classroom. This is an introductory session on computer science. Your first semester paper is Computer Fundamentals. Before directly going into your syllabus, let's have a look at some general notions on this subject. To understand the concepts very well, we must know the relevance of studying that subject. So, we will see the relevance of studying computer science. Then, you should be aware of the job opportunities. We are studying something with so many expectations and will have some goal, and very few will have passion towards it. Finally, we have to understand why this subject is part of your syllabus. You all are doing different streams like physics, chemistry, and mathematics, but computer science is a subject that can be integrated with all these streams and makes the real world better. There are some myths regarding computer science. Computer professionals aren't the people you call when your printer or system stops working. They are technicians. Computer professionals use technology to solve problems. For example, they can write software to make computers do things or accomplish tasks more efficiently. Or they can create applications for mobile devices, develop websites, and program software. As we all know, day to day the technology is being improved. The latest and the future technologies include artificial intelligence, cloud computing, networking and network security, data analytics, data science, neural networks, machine learning and deep learning. There are plenty of scope in each and every field, and in future you can specialize in any one or two of the technologies. It's a fact that there are people who even completed their PhD in physics, chemistry and other streams from top universities turned into data science stream recently due to the high demand and better salary offered in that particular area. The starting salary in India is 1.5 lakhs per month approximately. Therefore, computer professionals make the world better. They get highly paid packages and they get highly recognized jobs. For example, software developer in US gets 101,000 USD per year. That can be converted to Indian money approximately as 75 lakhs per annum. Or you can be a computer system analyst, IT manager, information security analyst, database administrator, web developer, computer network architect, and many more. You should be aware that this is a technology era, and you should be aware of these opportunities. And if you are specialized in any one of these, it will be easier for you to be hired by good companies. So therefore I mentioned all these in this particular introductory session. Those points I have mentioned so far is all about the general scope or relevance of the subject. Now let us see why it is part of your syllabus. We must know the basics in computer science to cope with the technology era. So we are covering all the basics in computer science in this particular syllabus, and we must be aware of its application areas. We all are utilizing the facilities and the availability of different applications using computers in different sectors like banking, healthcare, etc. But we must be aware that this all happens with the help of computers. And to know the programming or coding side, we should learn how the coding can be done with the help of a programming language called C, which is considered as the basic language for a beginner. So we will cover that also. These are the reasons we are studying computer science as part of your syllabus. We have to study 4 papers related with computer science. In the first year, we will learn 2 subjects in semester 1 and semester 2. In semester 1, we will learn the fundamentals of computer science, that is, what are the physical components of a computer, normally referred to as hardware, and its working. In semester 2, we will learn about software, and it will also include the working of operating systems and some programming languages or packages like database management system and its related language called structured query language. And we will learn a web development package or language normally referred to as HTML, that is hypertext markup language for creating pages in a particular web page. These are the contents we will cover in the first year of your study. The second year, you will learn the programming language C, and you will be able to write a programming or a set of instructions using this particular language. And based on this language, you will learn how the data are organized inside a computer. It will be coming under the subject data structure. Most of you have studied some concepts related to computer science in your school level, and some may be new to this area. So don't worry about that, and don't think you didn't study anything previously. Your syllabus begins with the basics only, and it does not require any prerequisites. So we will start from scratch. The only thing required is that you should have some passion towards learning something new. I will share you some videos to watch during this week as preparatory sessions, and also provide the detailed syllabus and university curriculum, including the pattern of evaluations, etc. After your induction program, I will move on to the sessions as per syllabus. Thank you all for watching this video. Take care and have a good sessions with computer science.